gumawa rin sa isipan ko ang nangyari. Babalik-balik pa rin ang mga alaala. Ako si Lyra at ito ang kwento ko.
Ignore. 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 Delete. Ignore. Delete.
Salt in chemical compound is sodium chloride. This is commonly seen in kitchen, used for seasoning.
Ano to? Delete?
This is graphite pencil used for writing and is mixed with clay for smooth writing experience. Graphite is a form of carbon.
Okay ka lang? Did you know water or H2O is made out of hydrogen and oxygen? Okay ka lang ba talaga?
Hindi.
The most common toothpaste chemical compound is sodium chloride, but monochloride phosphate and stannous chloride are also used. The fluoride amount in toothpaste are usually between 0.10 to 0.15%.
Bleach made from sodium hypochlorite or hydrogen peroxide to clean stain from clothes.
Ouch! Nabangga ka pa! Alam mo ba, wood is essentially composed of cellulose and celluloses, lignin, and extractives. Cellulose is a polymer that can crystallize to form very strong fibers. And the cellulose is the primary strengthening material in wood. Lignin is also a polymer but is typically in an amorphous form. Wait, may pagkain ka ba dyan? Issue yung paper bags. Masukad mo ito? Patingin.
Wow! Did you know vinegar is also known as ethanoic acid, ethylene acid, vinegar acid, and methane carboxylic acid?
The vinegar is about 4 to 6% acetic acid in water. It's a byproduct of fermentation that gives the vinegar its odor.
Yung cookies.